Have you ever thought of adding a unique twist to your garden with edible flowers? These blossoms serve a dual purpose, enhancing your garden's beauty and serving up delightful dishes. We're about to explore 7 such floral wonders. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of edible flowers. First on our list, nasturtiums, flowers that are as tasty as they are beautiful. Their peppery taste and vibrant colors add a unique twist to your garden. These vibrant blossoms will definitely spice up both your garden and your meals. Next, we have marigolds, a common garden flower with an uncommon twist. Their citrusy flavor brings zest to salads or garnishes. Marigolds, a sunny addition to any garden and your dinner plate. Moving on to violets, a sweet surprise for your garden. Their delicate floral taste is a delight in desserts or as a unique tea infusion. Violets, a sweet treat straight from your garden. Next up, pansies, a flower that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. With a mild minty flavor, pansies can jazz up salads or garnish cakes. Pansies, a colorful and tasty addition to your garden. Chrysanthemums, a traditional flower with a surprising flavor. Their slightly bitter, peppery taste adds a unique twist to teas and stir-fries. Chrysanthemums, a delightful surprise for your taste buds. Dandelions, a common weed turned culinary delight. Their sweet, honey-like flavor is a wonderful addition to salads, teas, or wines. Yes, you heard it right, dandelions, a weed worth cultivating. Finally, we have roses, a classic beauty with a sweet secret. Renowned for their enchanting appearance, roses also boast a sweet, fruity flavor. They can effortlessly elevate your desserts, homemade jams, or even a cozy cup of tea. Roses, a classic flower that can sweeten up your garden and your recipes. There you have it, 7 edible flowers to add a unique twist to your garden. From vibrant nasturtiums to elegant roses, each offers a unique flavor and aesthetic appeal. Growing edible flowers is a fun, creative endeavor. Enjoy the beauty and taste of your garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.